Our channel was watched 1,514 hours in one day. If you divide that by 24 hours in a day, that's equivalent to 63 days. That means our channel prospected for us 63 days in a one-day time frame. But look at this. In July, our channel was watched 11,800 hours. You divide that by 24 hours in a day, that's equivalent to 1.34 years. And if you look at, since we started the channel, it's been watched 130,400 hours. You divide that by 24 hours in a day, that's equivalent to 14.88 years. And so what you're looking at is this is a compounding of time. You're actually turning one day into 2.1 months. You're turning 1 month into 1.34 years. You're turning 1.5 years into 1.5 decades worth of prospecting. What better way to leverage yourself and to leverage time than to create a video and allow it to prospect for you, not just 24/7, but in multiples of months and years and even decades. That's why we're doing the amount of business we're doing, is because I'm not out there trying to call people 2 hours every single day, and that's the only type of prospecting I can get done. So that's a big difference.